Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to create a PayPal link. So in this I will guide you on the easiest and step by step process to create a PayPal link so you can send other to get paid. So for that, first of all, open your official website paypal.com on your desktop. So if you are in a smartphone, you can enable in desktop mode and all. After opening that, make sure that you will be logged in that. So now you can see here I already opened that PayPal page on my desktop. So inside that you can see the one option as a send and request option is there. So click on that option. So you will get this type of page. So inside that you can see here one contact option is there. You can go through by clicking on this also. Now you can see here create your link now is there, so you can go in this way also. It will be one of the easiest because in this less step will be there. And if you want to go through here more options, so click on that option. So you can see here create profile option is there, so click on this. So again click on this option, and if you want to add your photo you can add from here, otherwise not now. And you have to create your link here, so you don't forget that and all. So after clicking this link it will be easy to get paid from other and all. So after creating that link you can see here one next option is there, so click on the next option. So after clicking on the next option it will be asking some question related to your PayPal and all for your security purpose, so you have to give all answer about that. So in this way you can create a link for PayPal. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.